Do you need the perfect meeting space for your club, group, or organization? You are not going to believe what I'm about to show you. Follow me. Welcome to the 3,000 square foot Sony Creative Lounge. In this gigantic 3,000 square foot space, we have over 30 tables available. We have seating for up to 200, and we even have a fully modular stage. The stage can be configured to your liking, and we can also remove it completely if you don't need it. Your next presentation is going to look incredible on our custom-built 185-inch true white screens, which look incredible matched with our Sony 4K laser projectors. In addition, whether you're wanting to live stream your next meeting or record it, we have multiple QSC high-definition cameras. And the coolest thing about all this technology, it's super easy to use, and there's always someone here from our event staff to make sure that your meeting goes smoothly. We would love to host your group here at GigaParts, so contact us today for more information.